Welcome to our channel. Is it better to rebuild my engine or replace it? Your car's engine just gave up, now what? Should you rebuild it or go for a replacement? In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both options, cost, reliability, performance, and more, so you can make the smartest choice for your vehicle and your wallet. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to Beelines Automotive for honest advice on used auto parts, engines, and transmissions. Let's get started. Rebuilding means taking apart your existing engine, replacing damaged components, and reassembling it. It can be cost-effective if the damage is minimal, like worn piston rings or valves. Pros: keeps your original engine block, customizable rebuild, often cheaper for minor issues. Cons: labor-intensive, risk of hidden damage, downtime while parts are ordered. Did you know? Rebuilt engines can last as long as new ones if done correctly. But they depend heavily on your mechanic's skill and parts availability. Replacing your engine, a replacement, especially a used engine, can be a faster, often more reliable solution. At Beelines Automotive, we offer tested used engines and transmissions that are cost-effective and come with warranty options. This means less downtime, less stress, and more road time. Pros: faster turnaround, often more affordable overall, comes tested and ready to drop in. Cons: may require slight compatibility adjustments, you don't know its previous history unless properly verified. Hey, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to subscribe now for more tips on buying quality used auto parts. So, what's better, rebuild or replace? If your engine has light wear and you trust your mechanic, a rebuild might work. But if your engine is severely damaged or unreliable, a replacement is faster, safer, and often cheaper. Still unsure? Let Beelines Automotive help you decide. We offer top-quality used engines, transmissions, and auto parts that are backed by performance and warranty. Reach out today, toll-free 1-888-752-4286, email info@beelinesautomotive.com, visit www.beelinesautomotive.com. We are here to get you back on the road smarter, faster, and affordably. Thank you for watching.